I'm Steve Rowe from Rowe Motors in Grants Pass. People disagree on many things, but there are just as many things we have in common. For example, we all love our pets. Our pets, Hope and Finn, are registered therapy dogs. For those in our community experiencing some tough times, Hope and Finn's unconditional love can help them heal. The special relationship between people and pets, that's something we'll always have in common.